to fix the microphone problem in WhatsApp on your PC. If you're having trouble with your microphone not working during WhatsApp calls, you've come to the right place. Let's check if WhatsApp has permission to use your microphone. Open WhatsApp on your PC and go to the settings. Here, as you can see, make sure the microphone and the cameras are like turned on or allowed. Next, we need to check the system microphone settings. Right click on the sound icon in the taskbar and select sound settings. And here, make sure your microphone is enabled. Also, make sure your microphone is set as the default device. So, now, also, sometimes outdated audio drivers can cause microphone issues. To update your audio drivers, open Device Manager. You can do this by right clicking on the Start menu and going to Device Manager. Here you need to expand the audio and inputs and outputs. And on microphone, simply right click and click on Update Driver and click on Search Automatically. And that's it. Your microphone should now be working properly with WhatsApp on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.